to recover your BIOS password. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you need to enter your passcode and make sure it's wrong for the 3 times. Then visit the password generator website on Google. Then enter the system disable code and click Get Passcode. After that, restart the locked computer, then try the passwords. After that, change your BIOS settings if you get in. If you don't get in, you can simply restart the process again. After you restart the process and enter same code given, you may recover your passcode. And that's how you recover your BIOS password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.